Vlogmas Day 6, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, before you do anything, be sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video before even watching, and sharing it, right? So stop, do that right now, and then come back. Anyways, now that you've done that, we've gotten that out of the way, it's Sunday, December 6th, and we are having breakfast right now. I didn't make breakfast. We're having pizza reinvented with escovitch fish, so escovitch fish pizza. Alright, so we're going to a light show later, and I may be making my sorrel recipe today. So come with us as we do it. Let's go. So Babe is here reviewing the video, Vlogmas #1 to put up, and Mommy's on the phone. Say hey, Mommy.
Hello.
You're on the vlog.
Oh, hello.
Atal. You forget the call, man.
Kelly, turn that down.
Mama, you short.
That's the other grandma on the phone. That's Travis's
You
mom.
look at tall. I said, oh, Jerry, you ain't tall, you short.
You guys say hi to the people on the vlog.
Hello, good morning.
What'd you say, Taylor? Hot orange juice? Sure. So I told you guys about our escovitch fish pizza. Yeah, I just came up with it on the sly. So I'm gonna put, oh, and we have some Stone's ginger wine. Okay, now for the taste test.
I got to the fish yet.
You didn't get to the fish yet? Okay. I put some pepper on it for you.
We got some onions, escabeche. Okay, it's good.
I just want to know if it's a thumbs up, we could do it again, or thumbs down. Keep that somewhere else. Yeah? For real,
Yes.
for real?
For real, for real.
Alright, so we're adding that to our saltfish pizza recipe?
Yes.
Alright, for Christmas, every week we should make a different kind of pizza.
This is bad.
Yeah? Alright, y'all hear it first. Y'all ain't never see an escovitch fish pizza? Okay then.
It's bad.
Sorry, Lord.
Huh?
You want some sorry, Lord?
Huh?
You want some sorry, Lord?
Huh?
You want some sorry, Lord?
Huh?
You want some sorry, Lord? You want some
Look like Leon over
Y'all crazy.
there. Yo.
It is? That's a song and dance,
And a
is it,
dance,
Thomas?
yeah.
You kidding me?
That's it. Yeah.
Those are dances?
Yeah.
Y'all crazy. Who the heck gonna be get caught doing that
Avocado.
dance?
God.
Avocado? No, sir. No. Don't do it in public.
What do you mean? Ding Dong Ravers got dance just like that out there somewhere.
Alright guys, so we're heading on the road. Oh my gosh, the sun is like in my eyes. Jareem is driving me. I should be scared. I should be scared. So we made it to our little birthday party, guys. Hey, Michaela. It's a happy birthday, girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Skates on, girl.
I need to have these
Didn't Daddy tell you can't wear those skates out? It is cold.
girl. This way, if it wasn't windy, then it wouldn't be that bad.
So we just came to the barber shop. Hi guys. What's up? I just released it.
Okay.
I'm vlogging you.
Good to see.
What are you doing?
He's stalking us.
I'm stalking you guys? I'm waiting for you guys to come drive. Should I just wait for you guys and done?
Yeah, go ahead and come back now.
Yeah? Okay. I still want to drive.
I realized that.
Okay, give me a kiss.
I was saying you stop.
Love you.
Right.
Guys, I'm going into Trader Joe's to grab a few knickknacks for the house because we are low and I ordered groceries online from our usual Wegmans that won't be in until later tonight, and since I'm waiting on Taylor and hubby, might as well use my time wisely. Thank you. have my Christmas hat on. I just left Trader Joe's. This is my festive hat, people. I wasn't expecting to spend that much, y'all. Tell me, please comment down below if you guys, you know, what do you guys do for groceries? Do you shop weekly? Do you shop bi-weekly? Do you shop monthly? And if you care to share, how much do you spend? Because I'm really trying to understand what other people spend on a weekly basis. Like, I spoke to my cousin's wife, Allison. You know, she said she spends $100 weekly, but she also doesn't buy like, that's just like the dry foods. So, you know, at first I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to spend $100. That's like so good. Because usually I'm like 170 over 200, especially ordering groceries. It's definitely over 200, but I don't do it religiously every week. So I guess then that should be fine, because I haven't ordered groceries in like 2.5 weeks. So I'm just trying to get on a good budget and stick to it. When hubby comes with me, I do way better, because I don't just pick up random stuff. And I also have been trying to plan our meals. When I plan our meals, depending on what I'm cooking and the recipe, sometimes I do good, sometimes I don't, but I'm trying to do really good. So hence why I'm doing the money diaries, because like, I have these questions all the time, so I'm sure other people wonder the same thing, like, how much are you spending, how much are you saving, you know, all of those things. But anyways, I'm in Bound Brook. I'm stopping at the little Spanish bakery to get some carrot and passion fruit juice. It is so good, and I feel like I need some ice, so I'm gonna tell them to put a whole bunch of ice in it. So this one? 2.
Yo, 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 ho, ho, ho. Welcome back to the Matthews Vlogmas. We heading out again. About to go pick up baby girl and then head out to a little treat we taking her to. She don't know yet, but you guys gonna know it's just a light show. It's beautiful. Check it out when we get there. For now, just sit back and ride with us. Hope you guys enjoyed the first Vlogmas. Look forward to much more. This is one of our favorite times of the year, because we love to be festive. We love the whole concept of gift giving. We try to do that a lot. I don't know if you guys have seen before in a few of our vlogs. So this year we have a little special treat that we came up with instead of giving traditional gifts. So hopefully you guys stick around to see that. So let's go. Merry Christmas.
What is that?
Surprise!
Do you have to get out of a car?
No.
You drive through it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
You see the line? That's why I wanted to come early, man. Early enough.
Yeah. So we back again. You know what I mean? Told you guys we're gonna take you along for the ride. So we made it, but we're not fully there yet, because we are a little bit behind schedule and it's a line. Yep. I'm gonna show you guys in a few. I don't know if we can see you guys how long the line is, but we're gonna be here for a minute in the car. But eventually we're gonna get to the highlight,
doing it, man.
literally, of the situation, no pun intended. I'm gonna show you guys the car.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and rain.
Open up. Open up, open up, open up, open up. We have to party in the car because we are still waiting in traffic. It's been an hour and a half. Get it, Soka girl. Open up, open up, open up,
Open up. Why we gotta be cold? Oh, we gotta be cold. We got.
Hey, why is that one?
We got clear windows, man.
Open up,
Lighten up. Lighten up.
people watching us like, who them mad people there? Who them mad people there? Who them mad people? Look at the car! You can't bring island people
Mosh.
nowhere. Don't stop it. Don't stop it, please. Don't stop it.
Yo, but hey. How y'all get necklace at? What kind of cookie is it?
Pulling up to the front, the Festival of Lights. Sorry, I'm not
What is big man?
Just wanted to trick you.
pretty.
So pretty candy cane! Go on the small lane, Daddy. I mean, Uncle. Sorry, I'm used to Daddy driving.
We're in a wonderland.
I know.
Oh, dang, I should have going that one. Because that one moving. Dang.
Switch, Uncle, switch. Nobody's right there. Oh, never mind. Somebody's coming out.
Come on, man. We moving now. I'm good.
What's that noise?
Generators. Wow.
It's loud.
Okay, I got Taylor a surprise treat box that she's opening.
Gingerbread cookies.
Are y'all missing the lights?
Ew. Gingerbread cookies?
Candy canes and Hershey's.
Okay. Them really just put them little bit of something in that big box here? It's nice though. You have your
I'm
cookie?
hungry.
You're hungry? Okay.
I'll eat anything.
Yeah, I know. Eat anything.
Except dog poop.
You guys want a cookie?
I beat the dragon right there.
And then you're running from the. I don't know, little like grandma here, ma. With a paddle in the hand.
The Rapunzel one. I want you to record it.
I'm too far.
So that one is the straw. I think that one is the what?
They should have caught her hair going down. Like,
Really?
I'm chilling.
I did.
I'm chilling.
I'm chilling.
I'm chilling.
I'm chilling. Nah.
It's
Chilling like a villain.
Chilling.
It's
Chilling.
Like a villain.
Chilling like a villain. Villain. Guys, it's Vlogmas Day 7, and right now we're decorating the tree. And we don't really have, we're not really putting ribbon in this one. We're just stuffing the tree to the fullest. And it's going to be one of the fullest trees we've ever had. And since it's colorful on the inside, it's going to be colorful lights glowing from the outside. So it's going to look so pretty. Little pieces.
Travis and Taylor are spearheading the tree this year, and I think they're doing a good job so far. But you're leaving a tag on that, sir. You guys like my little truck right here? It says Happy Holidays. How cute is it? Super cute, super cute.
Here, Daddy, here's a hanger for the ornaments.
We're watching A Tribe Called Thompson.
That's what it says.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business. Getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas Day 8,
What I really want.
and
What
it
is
is
it you
6
want?
a.m. and I'm deciding to do a Peloton ride. I'm gonna get to it now because obviously I have work today. Taylor has virtual school, and I'm wanting to finish our tree decorating. Last night you saw Taylor and Travis decorating. I helped a bit, obviously, but this is our progress so far. Taylor wanted to be the owner of the tree decorating this year, and so even though it's driving me crazy because it means my baby's growing up, but I know how magical it is for kids because I remember growing up in Jamaica, guys, I used to have all sorts of pepper lights all over the grill, like the tinsels, like decorating was... Why is there a shadow in that? Oh. I'm afraid of Duffy, so that was like freaking me out. I'm like, what the hell is that? Tune for the tree. It will be done today or whenever, because guess what? I'm not rushing for nobody, okay? My sanity means so much more. Oh, speaking of which, this is my affirmation for the day. My peace is non-negotiable, and so is my joy. Okay? That's why. That's why I'm not rushing.
Way to step out into
I
your
did
power.
it. Done.
Give more of
Workout
yourself.
done.
Share a little bit
7
more love.
o'clock.
Offer a little more time.
Whew. I'm
And
about
in order
to
make sure you have the
do
bandwidth, make sure
something
you take care of yourself.
kind
Carve out
for
space.
someone today. So
And
the
then, again,
message
you're not operating
today's
from
ride
home.
is,
You're able to heal.
how are you
And even if
giving
it's
of
just an
yourself?
hour, you're committed.
How are you giving love? How are you being
Hand on your heart, peace
selfless?
sign in the air. Peace
Especially
sign is
in this
acknowledging the
season.
diversity
So
and
right
inclusion.
now,
And of course, unity on that
I'm going to be
leaderboard.
selfless and I'm
Hand
going
on
to
your heart is to acknowledge the importance of self-care and of getting
in
filled
the
up.
way of
May you
making a
always
breakfast
lead
spread
with peace.
for Travis and Taylor.
May you
Because
always
usually
offer
in the
love.
mornings, I don't make breakfast. So that is one selfless act that I can do today. So I'm going to do that. So I just took out our dusting off the holiday cookie cutter set. I am going to make breakfast pancakes, I think. Maybe a gingerbread. In the pot, guys. So if you have any regular cookie cutters, all you have to do is just put it in your pot with some oil and funnel in the batter And I added some sprinkles on top to give it the extra fluff or, you know, decorative vibes. Guys, I think they're gonna be so happy. Hubby's still at the gym and Taylor's still sleeping. I'm gonna wake them up shortly. You like your surprise? Good morning, princess.
Good morning.
Ready to eat? Go right ahead.
It's not, Daddy.
It is.
You're taking the gingerbread man?
It isn't. Daddy, you can't eat all of them.
Why are you doing that?
Stop being greedy. Stop being greedy.
I want to know the verdict. I gave you a knife. Oh, ow, my leg!
That's good.
You sure?
Make sure he can't run away.
Does it really taste good?
Mhm.
Okay, give me a bite.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that.
It happens to me every year.
I never get what I really want.
What is it you want?
Jingle bell,